I'm Jack Broadwell.
And I'm Chris Hammer, and we want to be your senior class presidents.
As a class, we've been through a lot. E-learning, lockdowns, and more.
Now let Team Jackhammer build you a fun and exciting senior year with a revamped prom committee and a revamped homecoming committee.
As Team Jackhammer, we feel we represent a lot of different students, both in academics and in athletics. For example, I play football.
And I play baseball.
And I wrestle.
And I'm on the school bowling team.
And neither one of us play basketball.
But we have friends that do.
Hey, what's up? It's Cam Brown from the state champion Hornets, and you have my support.
We'll make sure to organize fun class reunions in the future, and we'll always remember to get feedback from our female classmates.
I'm Allie Rinks, and you have my support.
And if you would like Team Jackhammer senior presidents, we'll get rid of all math classes. Okay, I've been told we actually can't do that. I tried. So when you guys go to vote, just remember, you don't want to do any of this stuff, and we actually like doing this stuff.
Vote Team Jackhammer for your senior class presidents.
We approve this message.